What, King? What do you want?
I want you to build.
Okay. Get in your seat now.
You don't tell me what to do.
I will on the build now.
Wait, this is my chair.
Where's my robot? This is my robot. I made that for my robot. Hey, something dropped. I made it. Thank you. I built it.
Doing good, Piggy.
I got a plan for the bird to get the egg. I got a robot.
Okay, now make a fort. So like a castle. So the
I already built that castle for the last episode. It's right there. That's from the last episode.
So actually, build another castle out of blocks. So
it will take like 10 hours to build. My hand might get tired and my hand might be dead.
Okay then.
We can build it tomorrow. We can build it tomorrow.
Okay.
We can. The pig got a plan. And we're gonna have a plan too.
We should build something.
Yeah. Let's build something.
We need more blocks.
Yeah. The pig built them. Okay.
We need some blocks.
Okay.
Here's a block.
I'm gonna get some more blocks.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I better start building.
Oh, I found one of the blocks. Oh, I found the car we can ride in. I found some more cars. And I found a plane.
Okay, good
And
job.
I found a missile. It's launching a plane.
How's it going here? Can I help? Okay. We're
Okay,
building
I
something
found
because
the
the birds have a plan to do.
We too. We can ride here. We can use the car to ride. I'm gonna get some cars. And do not press the button. It's gonna explode. This is for the missile for out the plane. Do not touch it. You also have a gun.
Oh, shit.
We can have a gun. I'm get some more. From the bigger one. This one have an awesome one. This one have an awesome one.
We need to build a fort.
That's the fort you can build. That's the easy fort you can build.
We're not done yet.
Okay. We're gonna have to battle the pigs. This is the pigs.
Oh, wait, pretend this is to get up.
No, pretend that's the car side because
Oh, yeah, and then they'll...
everybody can get it and can drive. Also, this is a block. There were pigs. There were the pigs. There were the pigs again. What are we doing? What are we doing? But that's supposed to. They have a lot of stuff. Now the robot have. We have to buy some more stuff. Yes, sir. I know what to buy. I just found the right thing. Optimus Prime. And a tank. And a robot. I found all the things I need. We're to the battle in no sec. We're over to the battle in 1 minute. I am Optimus Prime.
Then pretend this is a wall. Ha ha ha. We got the wall.
You have to get all your Angry Birds.
Now, we need to get all the Angry Birds.
Me too. We have to get all the
Guys,
pigs.
all the Angry Birds.
All the
here.
pigs. Get all the weapons you find and you give it to me. Get your asses over here, pigs. Right, sir. Right, sir. Find the pig. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. I found a man eater to fight. I found man. He's a Lego guy. And this guy, he does shoot out a lot of wood. And I need a mask and helmet to be a tank. Hold on, where's Red? I need to put my mask on. Wait, I found supplies out here. I found mine. I found one. I found another. I found a guy. Now I find others. You lead this. I get. We're gonna win. Hey, I picked that on your side. It's on our side. Good.